don't get me wrong, bro. I love 540 waves, but as a 540 waver, man, it's a couple things that I just hate about 540 waves, man. I ain't gonna even count. You feel me? I just hate a couple things about 540 waves. So if you consider getting 540 waves, man, you may want to stay tuned to this video, because I'm going to tell you a couple things to look forward to before you start on this journey, man. You feel me? And we're going to get right into it right after the intro.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned it.
What's good, Notification Gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about the wave game, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, in this video right here, man, I'm going to tell you a couple things that I just hate about 540 waves, man. So, yo, with no further ado, man, we're going to jump right into it, man. Let's get it. The first thing that I hate about 540 waves, man, is basically you can't blind brush. Unlike 360 waves, man, with 360 waves, man, the angles is pretty much basic. And that's a normal wave pattern. So, with 540 waves, the angles is a whole lot different. You feel me? Like, the angles kind of crazy. You feel me? Like, you have to constantly be in a mirror, and on the road to being flawless, you're constantly shifting your waves, and you can't blind brush unless you really know your angles. And I don't have this pattern for a little while now, and I'm still learning this pattern. You feel me? The only thing that I say 360 waves may be harder with breaking that natural swirl, but other than that, man, I think 540 is harder than 360, man. That's in my opinion. You feel me? So yeah, man, you can't blind brush when you messing around with these 540s, man. So let's get into the next one. And the second thing that I hate about 540 waves is basically that crown ponytail. That crown ponytail comes basically when you whipping your 540 waves out. And when you whipping, as you continue to whoop it and it don't lay down in that spot, in that crown area, it becomes a crown ponytail. You feel me? And dude, I really like crown ponytails, man. Do you think I really like crown ponytails?
No, son.
Yeah, man, I hate that crown ponytail, no cap. Third thing that I hate about 540 waves, man, you can't just go to anybody and get a cut. You feel me?
Yo! Are you serious, dog? Are you Yo!
A lot of barbers have not really cut 540 waves, man. A lot of barbers probably ain't even cut waivers like this, you feel me? That's spinning, you feel me? And me personally, I always cut against the grain. To me, that's the safest way, especially with me coming my own house. So, yeah, I always cut against the grain. It works for me, you feel me? I ain't gotta worry about napping, you feel me? I ain't gotta worry about no barber messing up my hair. And I got more videos about cutting hair, you feel me, coming up. Especially when I start doing these lineups and stuff, man. Oh, taking over the way again, man. Yeah, but let's get into the next one. Whoa, hey, buddy, look, listen, buddy. If you enjoyed the video, buddy, real quick, I want you to hit the subscribe button, buddy. You need to hit the subscribe button, buddy. That's all I want you to do, buddy. It won't take nothing but a second, buddy. If you rocking with my vibe, you see, hey, you see the waves, buddy. Yeah, you see the waves, buddy. Yeah. Nah, but look, we're gonna jump right back into the video real quick. You feel me? Let's get it. Fourth thing that I hate about 540 waves, man, I don't know if it's really, I don't really hate it, but sometimes it just feel like, bro, really. It's the fact that it's so different. And I ain't gonna even count, bro. I started it because I liked the different angle. But sometimes you might get comments like,
why your waves look like it about to fall off your head, boy?
You got some lopsided ass waves, boy.
Bring that ass here, boy. Boy, your waves look like they cricket, boy.
Your waves look like you been brushing sideways and just said boy.
I be like, bro, come on now. So it's just some things, it's a gift and a curse, man, you feel me? You might as well just get ready for the 540 wave jokes, man, you feel me? They gonna come at you. They gonna come at you, bro. They gonna send them your way. Especially when you great, you feel me? They gonna hate, you feel me?
If you're great, they gonna hate. Yeah.
I ain't even gotta tell you where that come from. But look, just to do a little recap, man, when it come down to 540 waves, man, just be ready to be different. You feel me? Just accept the fact that they different. A lot of people, like where I'm from, a lot of people ain't never seen 540 waves. Some people gonna rock with it. Some people ain't, you feel me? So when they see my head, they be like,
"But hey, what that different? What made you want to brush like that?" You feel me?
What made you get waves like that?
At the end of the day, bro, at the end of the day, man, you just gotta accept what 540 waves come with, man. You feel me? It's a gift and a curse, man. So if you want to learn how I get my waves like this, man, all I need you to do is hit that round subscribe button right here. You feel me? Like it right there. I put it right there. And then I got 2 videos that I want you to check out. You feel me? I got 2 videos that I personally wanted you to check out, you feel me? So check out one of them. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, and I'm out of here, man. Let's get it, man. Gang.